Hello there, I'm your host Dan Rojas, and this is a screw with a wing nut on it. My goal with this video is to show you that you can actually lift stuff up to just about any elevation without exerting any additional effort to it. What I'm doing is I'm screwing this into something that's buoyant, so that has just enough buoyancy to keep that afloat. And now what I'm going to do is take, this is just a glass Pyrex. You notice that has water in it. This is an old science trick that everybody did in school, but the interesting thing about it is it has the ability to lift stuff by just putting it up under there. Now, that little bit of lift may not seem that impressive. However, there's really no limit to the height that you can go with that. This is a giant borosilicate tube, and the water is actually just holding this in place. But if we put our it goes all the way up there by itself. So the question is, how would you get that out of there? Obviously that wouldn't be the answer because you end up right where you started. I have some large PVC that I'm going to try to go 20 foot up in the air, do the same thing. Instead of having a sealed in like this, I'm going to have two valves. There's going to be two valves, so there's going to be like a water lock on the end. The top valve will pop off. There'll be a cap, so the object would slide all the way up to the very top valve. Close this one so you would keep the water in there. Take your object out and put the top lock back on. Open the valve, send the next item up, and I'm going to see how many items I can send